Hi, welcome to Inventor 2023 video tutorial. I want to do the next part for the 7-cylinder radial engine, the piston. So let's have a look at the drawing. So here it is, and you could make a screenshot of that drawing and then follow this exercise step by step. So let's have fun with Inventor. Okay, to make it a little bit more interesting, I want to use two solids or bodies. So let's start with a sketch on the XY plane, and that should be a profile which looks something like this. Let's try to snap everything. Come on. Okay, and close that one. Let's transform this one into a center line and add some dimensions. So this one here should be 124 diameter. And this one should be 6. That one should be 8. Then go for 10, 12, 17, and 20. And from here to this one, that should be 66. Now let's see if we can do this here with one dimension. This should be 120. Yes, looks good. Now add one constraint here from this point to that origin one. Yes, finish that sketch, and let's make a revolve and confirm. Hide that solid. Next sketch should be on the top plane. I need a circle. Diameter should be 112. Finish this sketch. Make an extrude. Make it 15 millimeter. And go for a join, not for join, but a new solid. And okay, then another sketch again on the top plane. Cut the graphics. I need a slot, so go for a slot. Okay, like that. Add dimensions, so this should be 55 and the radius should be 25. Then go for a coincidence between this point and the origin. Finish that sketch. Let's make another extrude. Go for a join. Make it 60 millimeter. Now another sketch, now on the XY plane. Cut the graphics just in case. Go for a circle. Make it 50 millimeter in diameter. Add a dimension. Go for this point, go for that point, and go for 33 millimeter. And then align those 2 points vertical. Finish that sketch, make another extrude, go for a join, yes, make it symmetric, make it 140 millimeter. Then bring back this solid and combine them. go for cut. That's the base body and that's the tool, and confirm, and I'm done. So I hope this was helpful. Hope you liked it. If you did like it, please give it a like or leave a comment. If you want to see more, please give it a like or leave a comment. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would be really nice and helpful. You could follow me also on Facebook, Instagram, GrabCAD, and many more. Thanks for watching. See you to the next one. Bye bye.